Today I'm going to introduce our Hawk Serum products, our 80 series aluminum folding doors. As you can see behind me, this door is 6 panels this size. Of course, the size is the customized. And the size of this door is the 40 feet wide and 9 feet height. Let me show you how to handle this. And this is the opens, as you can see. And I open another panels. And here there is a latch on the bottoms. So now this is open. And this is the double doors opening, as you can see. I'm going to open all the panels to the sides. Let me show you. And you see here, also a latch. And the panels all slide to the right. And another side for the panels will slide to the left. So whatever is a slide to the left or slide to the right, it's up to you, because the design is flexible. And also whatever is want to folding out or folding inwards is still up to you, your design. So as you can see. And also we will see the handles, and the colors is the zero colors. We also available the black colors as the options. And this is the Germany band hardware, so the quality is rest assured. Regarding to the profiles, and this is the 2.0 series thermal break profile for the cold area. We also have another profile is 1.6 for the non-thermal break profile. That is for the limited budget of interior use. So this is the profile. And also, you will see the colors. The color is the black color. We also available more than 150 RAL color for you to choose. So, except for this, the glass is also the double glass, as you can see. And the color of the glass is the clear glass. But if you don't like this color, we have also available the tinted glass and also as the reflective glass or the low yield glass. So it's various option for you. So now I'm going to close it and see how it looks. And this size is also a latch, so I slide it to the middle, the doors panels will be closed. So you will see here, when you want a normal use for the traffic doors, here is the double doors for the daily use, as you can see. But it also can be daily use, a casement doors, single casement door, as you can see. So, except for this, we also available the thresholds, the waste vessels, and also the draining hole on the tracks. So it's ensured excellent waterproof performance. So as you can see now, so there's a lot of benefits the folding doors we are introducing today. So if you want to know more, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.